This is BJP UP unit gets an OBC chief. Modi Mantri Pankaj Chaudhary has been picked for the role. BJP's big OBC outreach in Yogi's Uttar Pradesh. OBC Kurmi Chaudhary from East Uttar Pradesh, seven-time MP. BJP faced Kurmi backlash, remember, in the 2024 polls itself. Big outreach to traditional OBC voters. Now small-time cooperator to Uttar Pradesh BJP top job. This seems to be quite a crucial development, that too before setting the precedent rather for the 2027 polls that's to take place in the very state. But yes, quite a crucial appointment at this given point for the party. Pankaj Chaudhary, who is now the state BJP, the state unit for the BJP's president at this given point. It's a big outreach to the traditional OBC voters as he hails from the Kurmi community, the same Kurmi community, remember, which ended up being which ended up contributing to the BJP's losses in the 2024 polls and the Kurmi backlash that we have seen in Uttar Pradesh. This seems to be quite an important move that the BJP has in fact strategized at this given point right ahead of the 2027 state assembly elections to make amend situations better in the very state at this point. So it's an important key strategy that we see that's coming to the forefront from the BJP state unit.
राधा मोहन दास जी, आदरणीय अरुण सिंह जी, आदरणीय लक्ष्मीकांत वाजपेयी जी, माननीय नवनिर्वाचित प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जी का हम सब लोग स्वागत अभिनंदन करेंगे। बोलिए भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे, नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद, नरेंद्र मोदी जिंदाबाद, पंकज चौधरी योगी आदित्यनाथ जिंदाबाद, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे वंदे। उत्तर प्रदेश.
So viewers, this is what we are witnessing at this given point. It's a seven-time MP from Maharajganj in eastern Uttar Pradesh who filed his nominations on December 13th. He was backed by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself, Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak and Keshav Prasad Maurya and several senior leaders from Uttar Pradesh unit itself like Smriti Irani and herself. Nominations had opened up amid speculations of an OBC, Brahmin or the SC candidates, but the party had come out to unify around Pankaj Chaudhary's nomination with his unopposed election announcement that had in fact taken place. Now, rising from a cooperator to a union minister, he previously held the finance minister of state role ahead of the 2022 polls, if we had to just give you a brief of his background. Now, this move definitely, if one looks at it from a strategy perspective, the move definitely aims to reclaim the non-Yadav OBC votes. Especially it is the Kurmi community, because he hails from the Kurmi community. The backlash that they faced in 2024 Lok Sabha elections, where the BJP's UP seats had fallen from almost 60, around 60 to in the 30s, some number around 30s, due to the Samajwadi Party's strategy at that given point. So it's eastern Uttar Pradesh is Chaudhary's stronghold, which is Chaudhary's stronghold. And they want to make amends in that very region at this given point. And this definitely comes in as a big move, as we've been reiterating ahead of the 2027 assembly polls. And appointing the OBC chief echoes the 2017 success under Keshav Prasad Maurya as well. And it also comes in as a counter to the Samajwadi Party's OBC outreach so far, that in fact the results of which we had even seen in the recent 2024 Lok Sabha elections, signalling BJP's electoral arithmetic focus on backward classes.
भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे वंदे।
उत्तर प्रदेश के नवनिर्वाचित प्रदेश अध्यक्ष के रूप में घोषित करते हुए बहुत प्रसन्नता हो रही है।
करूंगा माननीय भूपेन्द्र चौधरी जी से कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का ध्वज माननीय प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जी को सौंपेंगे। जोरदार तालियों के साथ बोलिए भारत माता की।